So what you want to do if you want to make money with Pinterest is you basically want to go on there, you want to start. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video today. So it's Sunday when I'm shooting this video, but it's probably going to be released tomorrow on Monday. So I'm out here cleaning up the cars, the Benz and the BMW, get them mixed up. But anyways, so it's a nice day out, so we're cleaning them up and we're going to take them out. We're actually taking that one to go get some brakes. But anyways, I want to shoot this video more or less to tell you guys that I'm going to be sticking to a more strict schedule with the channel. So it's kind of like a more announcement type video. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday from now on. So you guys want to make sure that you're here on those days. We're going to be uploading at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you want to be on the videos right when they're released, that's the time that you need to be here. So yeah, pretty nice day out. We're gonna go cruise around, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. All right, guys, so I thought we'd kick this off with a little bit of fun by answering your questions for our Monday upload here. I put the camera at a different angle, so ignore the mess behind me. You know, I've been busy. We'll get to that though. We're gonna fix this up and get it looking better soon. So yeah, let's go through and answer these questions. Now, if you want your question answered, all you have to do is leave a comment on the video, and we'll be going through gathering questions for me to answer on these videos for you guys. Also, I will post community posts that will show up on your feed where I'll prompt you to ask questions to be answered in a video. And best way to see that is to make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, because then you'll get your questions answered. So go do that right now by dropping below. All right, Jordan says, how do you make money as a YouTuber? It's a good question, and it's got quite a lot of different answers. This microphone stand needs to go. There are a couple different ways. Number one is obviously AdSense, right? Probably what most people are pretty familiar with, where, you know, ads pop up on the video. And that's an okay way, but to be honest with you, most YouTubers don't really make a lot of money doing just ads on their channel. Like, sure, if you get 1 million views on each video you post, you could probably make a pretty good living doing that. But let's be realistic. Most YouTubers out there, they're not pulling in those kind of numbers. That leads you to monetize different ways, and the two best ways I know of are affiliate marketing, where you can recommend a product you use. Like, maybe I have a gaming channel and I like these Corsair headsets. I could give a link to go buy those headsets and earn a small commission from it. Maybe you sell a program of your own. You know, lots of YouTubers do that as well. They sell their own programs. Might be, you know, how to lose weight, might be how to make money, it might be software, any of those things. That's also a good way to supplement your income as a YouTuber. And that's really where I think the majority of YouTubers will make the most of their money. But you could do pretty well with ad revenue as well. Like, Shabazz Savied, I probably mispronounced that, but I hope I didn't. How long does it normally take to rank a website? Well, that depends. It depends on the competition of the area you're targeting. It depends on a lot of different factors. How many backlinks the site has, if the other competitors are well optimized. So you want to do some competitive analysis of your competitors. That's usually where I start when I want to rank a website. I look at what is the competition doing in this area, and can I beat them? Because that's really, at the end of the day, when you think about it, all SEO or ranking comes down to, it's can you do a little bit better than your competitors are doing. But on average, I would say if you pick a, you know, pretty well low-hanging fruit niche that isn't super competitive, I would expect about 3 to 4 weeks. Benjamin Fairborn says, what are your secrets to getting views on YouTube? I mean, I think it comes down to making videos and content that your viewers actually want to see. You know, sometimes when YouTubers get started, they make the content that they think that they want to be making or that their viewers want, but not always. Their viewers aren't always wanting to see that. I remember when I first started, I started off making a lot of vlogs because I saw a lot of other popular YouTubers who were getting a lot of views with vlogs, but they weren't getting me a lot of views. Then I started switching over to like tutorial style videos, and I look back in my history and I noticed that those are some of the videos that people responded best to. So I started making more of those. So the easiest way to get more views on YouTube would be to go back and look at what videos have historically done the best on your channel. And if you don't have that data, look at your competitors, what videos are doing best for them. You know, take a channel that's closest related to yours, see what's doing best for them, and try and recreate more videos like that. That's the best way to getting views. Also, YouTube is highly driven by drama and by controversy. That's why there's a lot of these channels that just strictly thrive off of making these dramatic videos and covering the drama that's going on. It's because the audience here on YouTube, they like controversy, they like drama. So if you can incorporate that into your videos as well, you have a good chance at getting a lot of views. Marcus Young says, do you have any advice on getting started earning with CPA marketing? So CPA marketing is basically another form of affiliate marketing, only it's where you have a specific task. It stands for cost per acquisition. What that means is that you get paid when you get a user to take an action. It could be as simple as getting them to put in their email address. It could be as simple as getting them to put in their zip code. It could be making them sign up for a free trial. Whatever it is, you get paid for doing that. The easiest way to get started with that is to find an offer that's doing well. Your network should tell you that. A good network to start with is PureFly if you're a beginner, or Commission Junction. They're also pretty good. I think they're rebranded to CJ.com now. Also decent for beginners. They have a lot of offers to pick from. You can go through, you can see what offers are getting what's called the highest EPCs. That means earnings per click, meaning how many people are, if you send traffic to, how much are you gonna make? The higher that number, typically the better that offer is going to do for you, the more money it's gonna make. But then we're left with the whole debate of how do we get traffic to it. You could do this through YouTube videos, you could do this through paid advertising, you could do this through SEO, Facebook ads, all of the above. If you're gonna use Facebook ads, I'd recommend going to a bridge page first. That would be the best way to start earning money with it. Facebook ad to a bridge page. That means it's a page in between the ad and your offer. Because Facebook doesn't like when you run traffic straight to the offer. They're just picky like that. I don't know, but they don't like it. So I recommend you make a bridge page. It's like a landing page before the offer. I recommend capturing a name and email address there so that you can remarket to those people if they don't take action right away. But it could just be something informational about the offer, or about, you know, maybe it's a free trial, the CPA offer for a weight loss supplement, for example. Your bridge page could be an article about how other people maybe saw some good results with it, or why this is a beneficial ingredient. And the end of the article could be something like, you know, hey, go claim your free trial if you want to give it a try. Boom, goes to your CPA offer, they try it out, you make money. Sam Larnick says, I need a mentor, can I hire you? You can't actually, I'm not actually for hire at this time. But what you can do is I've got a lot of master classes out, a lot of webinars, one in the link of the description right now. You can go check that out. That is the best way to like capture some of the knowledge and experience I have, because I share it on that masterclass. And like I said, it's free if you just go and check out the link in my description. That is the very best way to kind of capture what I'm talking about and things that I know and some of the knowledge and experience I have. So yeah, I mean, I'm glad that you're seeking a mentor. It's a good idea. But remember, you don't always need to directly hire the person to be your mentor. You can learn from their books, you can learn from their content, and you can consume what is readily available from them to learn from them as well. And sometimes it's a lot more cost effective too, right? Because you can go pick up a book for $5, $7, $15, whereas hiring someone that could cost thousands and thousands of dollars. But yeah, I'm just not really doing that type of thing right now because I'm busy focused on this channel and the local business and the software. But I appreciate you asking. Saskia Odisa says, can I make money with Pinterest? Yeah, absolutely you can make money with Pinterest. Pinterest is a great platform because Pinterest has loads and loads and loads of free traffic. So what you want to do if you want to make money with Pinterest is you basically want to go on there, you want to start following a lot of other boards and a lot of other people on there, because a percentage of those people will follow you back. You want to look at the content that's doing well and try and recreate that content onto your own board. You want to go and you want to follow the people who like that content, because what's going to happen is they're going to see that you followed them and they're going to come back, they're going to look at your stuff and they're going to see, it's similar, and they're likely going to follow you. But what happens is every once in a while, one of those pins might go viral, right? And it's always important that you take those pins and you link them to something, whether it be a blog on your website, because you could be promoting something there, whether it be an affiliate offer. That's another cool thing about Pinterest is, to my knowledge, they don't mind affiliate offers, which means that you could even use this for like CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. You could drive people to an offer. I would recommend though sending them to like a blog page or a bridge page like we talked about earlier, so that you could capture them on an email list and you can remarket to them. But yeah, Pinterest is a great way to earn money, and I have another video on Pinterest. I will leave a link to it if you want to go check that out here. I would highly encourage you to check that out. It's a good video too. But anyways, guys, smash a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure that you're subscribed with notifications turned on notifications turned on because I'm gonna be answering more of your questions, and I have another video coming out Wednesday. You're not gonna wanna miss that, and it'll notify you as long as you're subscribed by clicking the button below. But anyways, guys, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.